Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia and Tigray clashes. Ethiopia driver killed by ISA terrorist as usual when passing through Konzafoko illegally occupied by Somali ISA contrabandists. This is the third attack on drivers in Konzafoko this week. And viewers, Adigrat has fallen under control of ENDF, zooming into Mekelle. Maybe Gadachurida is panic mood and talking about capture of far Amhara and other regions when Abiy is getting closer to him as diversion. According to Tigray sources, Tigray forces seize a Grad missile. The Grad missile is considered one of the most used missiles militarily in regional wars and conflicts due to its short range and destructive effectiveness. Update from Afar. Afar National Democratic Party joins Tigray Defense Force to fight against Abiy Ahmed and allied forces. It has instituted a new committee to lead the fight against the threat imposed on people of Afar by the fascist forces of Abiy Ahmed based in Afar. It demands these forces to withdraw. Viewers, on the other side, in Gamada, Eritrean forces killed countless young students plus threw their bodies in the river. They then told the parents of those killed not to remove the bodies from the river so that people could not drink the water from the river. Seriously, it is not Amhara and Abiy Ahmed militia that were slowing down. Tigray Defense Force advanced to Gondar and Fine. It is a logistical challenge of moving such heavy weapons as it advances, all delivered Abiy Ahmed. Abiy Ahmed would have you believe the war is only ENDF Amhara vs TDF. The fact is there are now more than half dozen liberation forces fighting against Abiy regime and countless war fronts. Ethiopia as a state has failed. The opposition is pushing for a final blow to the regime. Update from TPLF. Egypt is providing arms as well as political, diplomatic and logistical support to TPLF. It is waging a proxy war against Ethiopia and actively undermining Eritrea, including by supporting Eritrean opposition elements. Short-sighted and counterproductive. It was clear TPLF is not alone in its misadventures war against Ethiopia, flagrant attack of Eritrean. This marriage of convenience between Egypt and TPLF won't last long. Like past belligerent alliances orchestrated by TPLF, it will be defeated under the weight of resilience. So viewers, this is the latest news about it. For more latest report, please subscribe to YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.